Hey everybody, Caden back from the video. Today we are doing a Minecraft server tutorial. And so first thing you want to do is just gonna house up a dual Minecraft server to run two Minecraft servers off the same computer. So what you're gonna do is go to minecraft.net. Go to menu, trial and download. Download Minecraft Java Edition server software. And you want to get this here. So I'm gonna download that. Click keep. Internet Explorer more than likely will not work for this. Typically, Internet Explorer does not allow the downloads of jar files. I'm going to copy this text here that I just highlighted. So, right click, copy. I, of course, use Control C, and you do not need Chrome open anymore, but I will just minimize it. And you want to create a new folder on your desktop or wherever you want to put it. I'm doing a creative and a survival server. So creative. I'll create another one. New folder. Survival. So now you want to open the folder. Find where you have that thing. And I want to put the same thing in two different folders. So I'm going to copy. There. And paste. Oh, oops, I moved it before I copied it. Copy. Paste. So I have both these servers. And I know in the last video I didn't really go through all like the game mode changing and stuff like that, which I'll go through in this video, along with the ability to run dual servers. Minimize one of these, and this one I'm going to go in, new text document, just like normal. You don't have to name it anything. You want to open the text document, paste the text in there. Oh no, good thing I didn't close that because I copied them files. Let's go back in the text document. And if you look back in here, the file is called server, not Minecraft server 1.13.2, so you have to take it right before this dot and change it to server.jar. And we're going to change this RAM to, we're going to leave it 1 gig, not really important. 1.13.2 server. So we're going to go file, save as, start.bat. Bat stands for batch file, and a batch file is basically a console file. It opens up a whole like command console thing. Save. Out of here, go to here. You can delete the text document. Delete. Copy this since I only need. There are both servers. Okay, so run this one. I want to run only one at once while I'm doing the first original startup until I have the ports changed, which I went through a little bit in the other episode or before, but I will go through again in this one. EULA, change the EULA to true. If you're wondering why I ain't going very in depth with this, mainly because I did one video before this, so. But I mean, it's still doing the basic settings. Start again. Let this boot up. Shouldn't take long since the 1.13 server. Probably there's more advancements in Minecraft than there is recipes for things.
Really?
There's 524 recipes, 571 advancements. You guys know what I'm talking about? Right. And achievements. They're called advancements though. So like if you break, like the first advancement of the whole game is to open your inventory. Then you have to break a tree log with your fist, and you have to make a crafting table, and it's got a couple specific wooden tools. So you got the server up and running. I'm going to type in stop to stop the server. When it's done, it should automatically close this console window. Okay, so we're going to go into the server properties on this. More apps, notepad. Okay. And we're going to go through some of these just basic things. So, allow nether is whether people can use a nether portal to go to the nether. If you don't want people going to the nether, say you're doing like a high pixel style server or something, you could change that to false. Force game mode. That is if your game mode for your server is set to survival mode and someone was in creative mode when they left the server. When they join the server back, they will be forced into survival. But I have this set to false, of course. And the game mode for the server right here is your default game mode. No, 0 is survival, 1 is creative, and 2 is adventure, and 3 is spectator. Oh crap. I'm going to change it to 1 because this is going to be the, oh no, actually I was going to say this is the survival server. So, max players, we're going to up that to 30, just in case. PvP, kids are going to get so mad at me that I'm setting that to false. As a warning, I'm setting this up for school because I need some servers because they block some of the open to land settings. So allow flight, true, because someone just happens to get an elytra, they're screwed. View distance 10. You know, Carlsy, maybe I shouldn't do a server like this. Maybe I should do a Spigot server. It's got like plugins, so it's like it has mods, but it's still for vanilla.
I would just do this. Don't make it overcomplicated.
It wouldn't be overcomplicated. None of the kids would really know what they are, but message of the day. This is the MSD survival server. Oh, actually, I don't know what that is. I seen something up, but it wasn't. I looked at it wrong. It's R. Okay, so that's all set up good. Go file. Check again real quick. Everything where it needs to be. Okay, so file, save, X out of this. So this is the survival server. Then this is the creative server that we're going to start. I'm going to change some of the settings slightly differently. Okay, so ULA, true. And we're going to edit every setting in here like we edited in the other one, except for the game mode. We're going to edit to 1, and the port we're going to change the 2565 to 25566. So both servers can run at the same time. Which if you're port forwarding when you create a server, you actually have to manually port forward both servers separately. So one you'll port forward is 25565, and one you'll port forward is 25566. And as long as people have the IP address separately for both of them, like for example this one, you're going to put in that colon and then 25565 or 2566 if you have two servers running at once. So that dedicates what server it's going to. Otherwise, it won't connect to either server. It'll just say it can't connect the server. So. Stop. When this is done, I'm going to finish it up. Okay, server. Server port 2566. Game mode 1. Difficulty 0. You know what? 1. So much is true. PvP. False. Hardcore false. Max players. 30. Allow flight. And we'll leave that at false so that a bunch of people get kicked from the server. Oh, I get in so much trouble from crowds. Oh, y'all better both get even ramp. I'll leave one extra gig in case we actually do need to get into Minecraft on this computer. I'll leave that one extra gig open. Okay, so respect the law. Oops, that's right. This one's creative. Spelled server wrong. You're trying to spell fast. Okay, so there's all that set up. File, save. And now I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to bring both these over to the side. I'm going to run both servers. Let them both boot up. And while they boot up, okay, you can close them folders now. We don't want kids messing with them. Kids shouldn't be on this computer, but it doesn't mean they probably still won't. Okay, while this goes, we're going to minimize this quick. Bring up Minecraft. Bring up this. Minecraft launcher. And while these load, see this one's done. Yeah, let's move this one's done. So we're preparing the spawn area. Okay. Plays are both set for 113.2, so Minecraft boot up might be a little bit slow, but actually it's probably gonna crash. Let's see, they both connect separately. Actually, before I do any of that, I have to go to command prompt, and I actually, before I mess something up, I go IP config, because I have to get this IP address. And the one server crashed. Wow. Okay, so the IP is, we'll control C that. Oh, creative server still up and running. We're gonna close this back out, boot that server back up. So I'm gonna be able to run both of them. Between OBS running, the servers running, and Minecraft running, this is not going to be pretty trying to run this. So I'm not going to check another computer.
Everything is working properly. Actually, I have another thing now.
I brought up the IP address, copied it, and closed the window.
In there?
Yeah.
Well, then just open up Notepad and paste it.
Oh, yeah. tab. Control V. Okay.
Cute. Multiplayer. I'm just testing this stuff. Right? One server's running up. So you already edit for a military code of it. Oh. Their server. So one server works.
Okay, so I go to pull up Minecraft, but I will, as you can see easily. I will connect to the creative server, and it should come up with, I don't know what account this is. MSD Minecraft 2 has joined the server. But if you look on this other one, which I'll minimize this, it will not show up on here. So click here. On this server. Wait for it to come up. What? Oh. Whoops. I didn't use that. I didn't put in the port. Okay, let's actually redo that. I didn't put in the port, so I don't count to the 25565 server. So I have to edit. 25566. Now it should connect to this server. Yep, see? And this one didn't show up on.
Oh my god, did both servers get the exact same world? No, they didn't. Never mind. They looked the same for a second. But anyways, but now if I disconnect, and now I'm going to connect to the Thrival server.
You see, this one says he's left the game, and as I'm over here, he's joined the game. So I can't really demonstrate it on this computer to show you because the computer does not have enough RAM to demonstrate it. But as you can see, it does work separate, and it's not port forward. These are both computers on